And if you are still waiting on the YouTube partner program to start making money on your YouTube channel, or maybe you're already monetized, but you're seeing that money come in and it is not a lot of money, you're missing out on a lot of money that you're leaving on the table. And I will explain to you exactly what I mean. So for every 1,000 views that you get on your channel, you get a certain amount of money depending on your niche. So for most niches, you're looking at about $3 for every 1,000 views, $10 in a good niche. So that means if you shot a video and it got 1,000 views, then that would mean that you would make $3 on that one video. $3. That's it, depending on your niche. Now, imagine if you created a $20 digital product instead. Those same 1,000 viewers that you get on your video, let's say 10 people out of those 1,000 people bought your $20 digital product. That would mean you would make $200 on that video. So the same 1,000 views that you got made you $3 on the YouTube partner program, but then you made $200 with your digital product. So do you understand what I mean when I say that when you create a digital product, you exponentially increase your chances of making money on your content? That is why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start making money on your video right now. I don't care if you have 5 subscribers or 10,000. If you're not monetizing your channel with digital products, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start creating digital products, and it's so simple, and you can start making money today, even if you have a tiny channel. So stay tuned. So hello, star creators. If you are brand new here, my name is Tate, and I help faith-driven creators and small YouTubers grow and monetize their YouTube channels. Now, let's get right into this. So if you're tired of just waiting on YouTube to monetize you and it's taking a long time, I'm here to tell you that you can start making money right now. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. So first of all, let's start with talking about what is a digital product. So basically, a digital product is a product that is in digital form. It's not a physical product, it is a digital product. So we're talking ebooks, guides, checklists, planners, templates, online courses, digital journals, workbooks, printables for kids or printable prayers, files, scripts, that kind of stuff. Those are some examples of some digital products. So now in the description, I have linked a list of 100 digital product ideas that you can download for free, and it has everything for pretty much every niche. So I'm talking travel, technology, finance, health and fitness, cooking, home improvement, hobbies and crafts, parenting, self-improvement, education, you name it. So be sure and download that list so you can start thinking of ideas of what you can start creating for your channel. So now, why digital products? Here's why I love digital products. You create them only once, and then you can sell it over and over and over again. So you do all the work up front, but then it starts to become passive income because that one product that you spent time creating, you can sell it over and over and over again. So you don't have any inventory, you don't have any shipping, you don't have to do anything else. That product is going to make money for you till infinity. And that is just amazing. So even if you have a tiny audience, you can start to make money by promoting and selling your digital products to your small audiences. And there's a big YouTuber that I follow, and I was just blown away because she said that most of her clients that have like 200 subscribers, 500 subscribers are making 6 figures just promoting digital products. So I will post a video right here so you can see exactly what she says.
Darius, he's a filmmaker with over 400,000 subscribers. He spent 9 months crafting a film that's now used in film schools worldwide. 3 sponsors backed it. His total earnings? $2,400. That's $266 a month for what many would consider a successful channel. Meanwhile, there's this tiny channel quietly building what I call a micro-universe. Their entire subscriber base could fit into a high school auditorium, yet they just closed their biggest month ever. multiple six figures.
So you don't need a big audience for you to be able to start making money right away. And this is something that I did when I first started my journey on YouTube. Because I teach people how to grow on YouTube, I created a simple digital product that helps my audience reach their monetization goal. And so it is a low ticket product that I created on Canva. And I'm actually starting to add more digital products to it. Things like templates, script templates that helps my audience script their videos. I have an upload checklist within that digital product as well. I also help my audience with how to make money through affiliate marketing and how to make money with digital products as well. So that is a perfect example of a digital product that I offer for $37. And if I make 10 sales, that's $370. So you see how that works? 10 sales for every video that I post, or 20 sales or 100 sales. So you just do the math, $37 multiplied by the number of people that end up purchasing my digital product versus the money that I would be making. That is not a lot of money from the YouTube Partner Program. So let's get right into the steps on how you can start creating a digital product for your channel. So let's get into step number one. So step one is you want to figure out what problem you want to solve. So think about, what are the pain points of your audiences? What are they trying to solve? What would be helpful for your audience that you could help them solve through a digital product? So most niches, they're in either fall into health, wealth, or relationships. That's what most people are concerned about in their lives. And so if you solve any of those issues, you are creating a service that people are going to be willing to pay you to solve the problems within those areas. So now let's say that your channel is about relationships. Maybe it's about marriage relationships. So maybe an idea of a digital product would be like a 7-day communication journal for married couples. So that's an example of what you would do there. So that's a problem that you would be solving for your audience. So step two would be to create the product. And this is the fun part, because you can actually create a digital product very easily on Canva, and you can use ChatGPT to help you. So you can literally go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you ideas on the types of digital products you can create within your niche. And then once you have gotten your ideas and you have fleshed out some of those ideas, you can then go into Canva and find a beautiful template that you can use to create an ebook. So this is an example for an ebook. So you would go then on Canva, and then you would select a beautiful template that you can use. Now, obviously, you don't want to just copy and paste directly from ChatGPT. You want to put your heart and soul into what you're doing. Like when I created my guide, I literally took my experience on how I got monetized within 5 weeks. So I didn't just copy and paste. I used ChatGPT to kind of help me frame out my thoughts that I already had in order to create a digital product that actually came from my heart, came from my own experience. So I caution you not to just copy and paste, because your audience are going to feel like you're just giving them something that is too generic. So be sure to take some time to do that. Now, if you don't want to go through the entire process of trying to create a digital product from scratch, there's actually another option, and it is called done for you digital products. And these are private label digital products. So out there on the internet, plrhustle.com is one of the websites that sells done for you digital products. Basically, what you do is you go on the website and you purchase a digital product that is already done for you, and it gives you the right to resell that digital product, and you can actually customize it and put it into your own words. So it'll be sent out to you in a form that you can easily edit it, so that you're not creating a digital product right from scratch. So you can go out and buy these digital products. The option that I would recommend is actually going to PLR Projects. PLR Project is an awesome website where you can just pay once and you get access to over 800 different digital products. And I'm talking about in every single niche that you can think about: marriage, parenting, cooking, everything you can think about is on PLR. Be sure Project to go there. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can just sign up there, so you can just have access to all the digital products that you're ever going to need in your life and just pay once. because once you get this digital product business going, you're going to need to create digital products. And if you don't want to create them from scratch, you can just go to PLR project, and they have guides, they have printables, they have templates, they have even website templates. I mean, you name it, they have everything. So be sure to click on that link in the bottom and sign up for PLR project and get access to those 800 digital products that are done for you, and they continually add new stuff. So moving right along to step number 3. So step number 3 is you want to list your digital products. So you can list your digital product on StanStore. That's the one that I use. It is a fantastic website that puts all the things that you need all in one place. So it'll be where you collect emails from your subscribers, where you set up your digital product, where you can email all your subscribers and all your buyers and everything. It is perfect. And I believe it's only $29. I think they have a 14-day free trial, so you can start that and see if that works out for you. And it's that simple. Now, the last step is to just promote it. So you would promote it in your YouTube videos, or if you have an Instagram account, TikTok account, you would then promote your digital product and send people to go purchase it. And obviously, you don't want to be very salesy. You obviously want to give free value. And what I would say is give, and then ask. So it's give, and then ask. So you want to give free information, you want to give free value to your audience so they know, like, and trust you. And then you can ask them to purchase your product that is going to help them and take them a step further from where they are in their journey to whatever your niche is and whatever you are offering to solve their problems. So those are the 4 steps on how you can get started making money with YouTube starting today. So don't wait for YouTube monetization, because even if you're monetized, you're not going to make a lot of money from the YouTube monetization. So you need to start building this. Now, I have my fast track to monetization guide, which I offer my audiences. I mentioned it earlier in the video, and it is something that is available to you. So if you want to learn not only how to grow on YouTube to get that YouTube partner program revenue starting to flow, but if you want to go deeper into how to create digital products on your store, in the guide, I have included a whole new module on how to create digital products on your YouTube channel. And not only that, also how to start making money immediately, like as soon as like today, with affiliate marketing. So all of that is in my YouTube quick start guide to monetization. And it is a comprehensive monetization that doesn't only focus on the partner program. It focuses on all the different ways that you can begin to monetize your YouTube channel. So you're not getting burnt out just waiting for YouTube to get you monetized. You are actually in the game and starting to create money and make money right away. So thank you so much for watching. I will put a link to the YouTube fast track to monetization in the bottom. So go ahead and get that, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.